What happens to your body if you take apple cider vinegar daily? Have you ever wondered what happens to your body if you take apple cider vinegar every day? Let's find out. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar, often abbreviated as ACV, is made from fermented apple juice. This process creates a liquid rich in acetic acid, vitamins, minerals, and beneficial bacteria. ACV has been used for centuries in cooking, cleaning, and various health remedies. It's a versatile liquid known for its potent natural properties, making it a staple in many households. But before we dive into it, please subscribe to the channel and help us reach our next goal of 250 subscribers. Your support means a lot to us. Improve digestion. First up, let's talk about digestion. Taking 1 teaspoon of ACV daily can significantly boost your digestive health. The acetic acid in ACV helps increase stomach acid production, which is crucial for breaking down food efficiently. This can lead to better nutrient absorption, reduced bloating, and fewer digestive issues like indigestion and heartburn. Imagine your stomach as a powerful blender. ACV helps ensure that it breaks down food smoothly and effectively, making the digestive process much easier on your body. Blood sugar control. Next, blood sugar control. ACV has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which helps your body process sugars more effectively and prevents spikes in blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. By taking ACV, you can help your body maintain stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of complications associated with high blood sugar, such as fatigue, headaches, and long-term health issues. It's like giving your body a little helping hand in managing glucose levels more efficiently. Weight loss. Now let's discuss weight loss. Incorporating ACV into your daily routine can aid in weight management. The acetic acid in ACV can help suppress your appetite, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing overall calorie intake. This can be particularly helpful if you're trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Think of it as a natural appetite suppressant that helps you eat less without feeling deprived. Additionally, ACV can help boost your metabolism, allowing your body to burn calories more effectively. Heart health. Heart health is another area where ACV can have a positive impact. Regular consumption of ACV has been linked to lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. High levels of these fats in the blood can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. By incorporating ACV into your diet, you can help protect your heart and improve your cardiovascular health. Think of ACV as a little guardian for your heart, helping to keep it in good shape and reduce the risk of heart-related issues. Antibacterial properties. Did you know ACV has powerful antibacterial properties? The acetic acid in ACV can help kill harmful bacteria in your gut and other parts of your body. This can lead to better overall health and a stronger immune system. By reducing the number of harmful bacteria, ACV can help prevent infections and promote a healthier balance of gut flora. Imagine it as a natural disinfectant working inside your body, keeping harmful bacteria at bay and supporting your immune system. Improved skin health. Some people find that consuming ACV helps improve their skin. This might be due to its detoxifying properties, which help cleanse your body from the inside out. ACV can help clear up your skin, making it look healthier and more vibrant. It can also help balance your skin's pH levels, reducing the likelihood of acne and other skin issues. Think of ACV as a natural beauty booster that promotes clear, glowing skin by supporting your body's detoxification processes. Enhanced nutrient absorption. ACV can also enhance nutrient absorption. The acetic acid in ACV helps your body absorb minerals more effectively from the foods you eat. This means you get more out of the nutrients in your diet, improving overall health and vitality. By incorporating ACV into your routine, you're ensuring that your body makes the most of the vitamins and minerals you consume, supporting everything from bone health to energy levels. It's like getting more bang for your buck when it comes to nutrition. Potential anti-inflammatory effects. In addition to these benefits, ACV may have anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to numerous health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers. The antioxidants in ACV, such as polyphenols, can help reduce inflammation in the body. By incorporating ACV into your daily routine, you might help lower your risk of inflammation related conditions, supporting overall health and well being. Potential side effects. While ACV has many benefits, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Consuming too much ACV can lead to issues like tooth enamel erosion due to its acidity. It can also cause throat irritation or digestive discomfort if not diluted properly. To minimize these risks, always dilute ACV with water and consider drinking it through a straw. Additionally, excessive ACV intake can lead to low potassium levels and affect bone health, so moderation is key. Usage tips and dosage. Here are some practical tips on how to incorporate ACV into your daily routine. Dosage. Start with 1 teaspoon of ACV in a glass of water and gradually increase to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day if well tolerated. Timing. Drink the ACV mixture before meals to help with digestion and appetite control. Recipe ideas. You can add ACV to salad dressings, smoothies, or teas. Mixing it with honey and warm water can make it more palatable. Caution. Always dilute ACV in water to prevent damage to your teeth and throat. Several scientific studies support the benefits of ACV. A study published in the Journal of Diabetes Research found that ACV can improve insulin sensitivity in people with insulin resistance. Research in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that ACV can help reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels. A study in bioscience, biotechnology, and biochemistry indicated that ACV can aid in weight loss by reducing appetite and increasing feelings of fullness. Myths and misconceptions. There are many myths and misconceptions about ACV. Let's clear up a few. Myth: ACV can cure serious illnesses like cancer. Fact: while ACV has health benefits, it is not a cure for serious diseases. It should be used as a supplement to a healthy lifestyle, not a replacement for medical treatments. Myth: you can drink ACV undiluted. Fact: drinking undiluted ACV can harm your teeth and throat due to its high acidity. Always dilute it in water. Myth: more ACV means more benefits. Moderation is key. Excessive ACV can lead to negative side effects like low potassium levels and digestive issues. To recap, taking 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar daily can improve digestion by enhancing stomach acid production and nutrient absorption, help control blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity and preventing spikes, aid in weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness and boosting metabolism, support heart health by lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels, provide antibacterial benefits by killing harmful bacteria and supporting the immune system, enhance skin health by detoxifying the body and balancing skin pH, improve nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the most out of your diet, potentially reduce inflammation, supporting overall health. But be cautious of potential side effects and always use it in moderation. Please remember, while apple cider vinegar has many potential health benefits, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or health routine. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Thank you for watching our video on the benefits of taking apple cider vinegar daily. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help us reach our next milestone of 250 subscribers and stay updated with our latest content. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay healthy. See you next time.